Hi, this is Jojo, my 2.5-year-old, and we have started our little skating journey at home. I'm focusing on the basics for now, but something happened during one of our practice sessions that made me think about a much bigger lesson, not just skating, but about discipline, consistency, and boredom. So one day we were ready for Jojo skating practice. We did our warm up, a few exercises, and then I asked him to put on his skates. But that day he simply wasn't ready. And instead of forcing him, I thought, okay, let's do something else. So I took two cones and kept them a little apart. I asked him to run around them and then run through them, making a figure eight shape. And he absolutely loved it. He was running, laughing, having fun. But while watching him, I realized this wasn't just a fun activity. He was also learning to listen, follow instructions, and remember a sequence of movements, all while simply having fun. So, yes, changing an activity sometimes can be a good thing. But this incident made me think about something else. What am I teaching him when something becomes boring? Because if every time he gets bored or finds something difficult, I immediately say, okay, let's do something else. He might slowly learn that boredom means we should quit, and that's not something that I want him to learn. Of course, Jojo is only 2.5 year old right now, and he is not going to understand what discipline, consistency, or delayed gratification really mean. But as he grows older, I want to introduce these concepts to him in a very simple, practical way. So, one idea I have is a 1 rupee jar. Every day he puts just 1 rupee into a transparent jar so that you can see it. 1 rupee doesn't look like much, and after a few days, it might even feel boring. So, one day I might ask him, it's boring now, should we stop? And hopefully, when he's old enough to understand, he'll say no, because we are saving it for something. And that's when I can tell him sometimes you don't see the results immediately. That's why consistency matters. Because 1 rupee doesn't make a big difference. One day of practice doesn't make you an expert. One day of exercise doesn't make you a stronger person. One day of reading doesn't make you knowledgeable. But doing that small thing again and again, that's where the results come from. And I think this is something I want Jojo to understand as he grows. Boredom is okay. Not everything meaningful has to be exciting. Sometimes the things that help us grow are repetitive, ordinary, and even a little bit boring. And I don't want to teach him that every time something becomes boring, we should escape it. I want to teach him to ask, is this actually pointless or is this something valuable that simply takes time? Because there's a difference, and that's where I think discipline begins. Not by forcing a child to do something endlessly, but by slowly teaching them the value of showing up again and again.